Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hex. If you're new, please like and subscribe. I do want to thank you for that in advance. Real quick, my last video is kind of messed up. The thumbnail's messed up, called N.P.D versus Pets. Go watch that. It is making people cry, but I messed the thumbnail up. I do want to thank you, though, for being here. It is Friday. Hope you have a great weekend. This is in addition to my series called Narc, and I'm going to analyze Dr. Phil McGraw. He's old. He's over 70. He's a fake doctor. He became famous because of some beef lawsuit. Him and Oprah, I mean, why wouldn't they want beef, I guess? I'm not sure. She invited him on her show, and ultimately he does his own show, I guess. Has it for like over 20 years. So the question is he a narcissist? I'm not sure I can diagnose a fake doctor. I'm giving you a real opinion on a fake doctor. I believe he's probably a communal narcissist for sure. He's generic, cookie cutter. His advice you can get from any self-help book. I don't think he should be talking about N.P.D or diagnosing people. He's terrible. He's just a little off with narcissism and N.P.D. He says that we have no empathy. That's completely wrong. He thinks we fit into 4 categories. That's completely wrong. Trust me. From a narc's perspective, I grew up with many of them. My older brother is a narcissist. One of them is very much like Dr. Phil, wealthy in some ways. He's a communal narcissist, very conceited. But I think Dr. Phil would help you. I don't think he's a terrible guy. But you just have to make sure that he's being recorded on camera for people to watch his great deeds so he can get credit for that. He's just a little bit off with his N.P.D advice. He's a generic person. He does fit the mold for communal narcissists. That's my diagnosis of a fake doctor. So tell me what you think. Any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section. I have my email out now. Again, I don't think Dr. Phil's a bad guy, but could be worse. I do want to thank you for listening. You all have a great weekend. Hope you all have a great weekend. Like and subscribe. You are discarded.